Did you know robotic arms are helping surgeons save lives, and drones are delivering medical supplies to remote areas right now? In disaster situations, every second counts. Meet Robbie the rescue drone, a high-tech hero who isn't just flying for fun. When disaster strikes, Robbie soars through the skies with precision, speed, and a mission to deliver hope. Imagine a hurricane has ravaged a coastal town. Roads are blocked, bridges are down, and traditional rescue teams can't reach those in need. This is where Robbie comes in. His GPS technology and advanced sensors allow him to navigate through the chaos, finding people trapped under rubble or in need of medical supplies. Robbie's cameras and thermal imaging can detect survivors even in the darkest conditions, giving rescue teams the exact locations to focus their efforts. But Robbie isn't alone. On the ground, we have the tireless worker, Autobot, a specialized robot designed for disaster relief. Autobot can lift debris, clear pathways, and even assist in the search for survivors. Autobot doesn't tire, doesn't need breaks, and can work in conditions too dangerous for humans. In one real-world example, during the 2018 California wildfires, Autobot helped firefighters by clearing flammable brush, creating fire breaks, and even delivering water to hot spots, making a significant difference in painting the fire. The emotional arc here is from despair to hope. Picture the scene. A family trapped in their home, surrounded by floodwaters. The tension rises as time ticks away. But then, a drone buzzes overhead, dropping life-saving supplies. The resolution comes when rescue teams, guided by the drone's data, finally reach the family, offering them safety and hope. The aha moment for viewers. Technology isn't just about making life easier. It's about saving lives when every second counts. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to learn more about robots making a difference today.